The adding of the contacts for the Cobie information has been separated out. It's not in the project setup dialog box anymore. It has its own setting. So we can select the button and we can edit the information. If we need to give the contact a uniclass code, we can do that by selecting the uniclass system, opens the table, and we just choose one from the list. I've already picked one. You can add the optional information here where it's got things like a name and then surname and all the other information, but we'll say that what we've put in suffices. So we have now set up a contact, and every Cobie export will need a contact to be able to assign the information to it. What we can now do is to go to the export of our settings. It also has its own button, and we just choose to export it. We choose where to put it, and we give it a name. It saves it as an XML file. And so once you've given it a name, chosen the location, you click on Save. And we say OK. And if we now look at how our setup, so you can see that we've got 5 Cobie schedules. What we can then do is open up a new file, and we'll show you then how to import them in. And then that saves us going through that whole process of the other videos that you've seen when I've set all the information up. Because once you've got your parameters set the way you want it, you don't need to keep doing that over and over again. You just save the export file and then import that in, and all those parameters will be copied into the new file. So let's create a new file, new project, based on the architectural template. It'll work on any template, mind. And now we can import those settings in. So BIM interoperability tools, and then import, and we go and find the files. We just browse for it. It was in my training folder, and there it is, Cobie Setup 01. And we say OK. Now sometimes it might not read some of the information in, but don't worry too much about that. You say OK. It gives you that failed message, but you'll see that it carries on. It's just one bit of information it didn't find. And now spreadsheets are created. All the schedules are created there, and it adds in all the system information as well.